So hey guys, today we are going to make Thanos from Avengers Infinity War. So let's start the tutorial with making the face. Remember, don't make the face too long because Thanos does not have a long head. Making the face right now. So when you're done with the face, we're going to form the body shape and arms of Thanos. So now I'm making one of the body piece, but don't increase it because we are going to add the hand on that side. So now let's make the other side of the body, and remember, he's not going to look over, he's kind of tilted. Remember, you're also going to make the shoulder pad. Now we are making the shoulder pad. So when you're done with the shoulder pad, you have to remember to make the hand as much space there is left. And also don't make the shoulder pad so big. So when you're done with the arm, then you're also, now we're going to start the hearting. Now that small line you made, we're gonna form it into the infinity glove. So now we are drawing the infinity gauntlet. So you have to make sure you don't draw the infinity hand as big as the other one, because this hand is also like kind of inwards. So also have to remember, make the infinity glove thick because it's a glove, not just a glove, it has all 6 of the infinity stones. So now we're gonna increase the arm of the infinity gauntlet. So now when you're done with the infinity gauntlet, then we're gonna start to do the face. Make the eye line. And now we're making the eyes. He's not gonna be as happy as he usually is because balancing the universe doesn't make you happy. So now we're making the eyes, and he's also looking tilted because he is tilted. And I don't know when the scene was in Infinity War. So now we're also gonna make some eye linkers to make him look old, and we're also gonna add some details to the nose. We're going to make his lips. So now when we're done with the lips, you do remember he has a lot of lines in Infinity War, and now you're going to draw those lines that he has in the movie. So when you've done drawing the lines, you have to remember that the lines shouldn't be as much as I made, because if you made that many, then it wouldn't look as good as Thanos. So now we're making the ears. Remember that one ear is a little bit, now we're making the cheeks, and remember one ear is a little bit hidden. So now we're making the eyebrows. Now I am drawing the flowers. So when we're done with drawing the flowers, we're going to add like a light reflection. So when you're done with that, you have to make some cheekbones. So when you're done drawing the cheekbones, then we're gonna draw some of the armor on Thanos' chest, because if you remember, he did take off his armor, so he's only gonna have a little bit of it. So you have to make sure the armor isn't as far away as it usually is. So when you're done with that, now we're going to draw parallel lines and also double coat that line. When you've drawn that, now we're going to connect those lines and also make a few more details. So when you're done with those, you have to draw like a collar piece that shows a little bit of it, and it also goes around. So when you're done drawing that, then you're gonna make a little more armor. So now when you've drawn the armor, you have to make somebody draw this pattern on Thanos' desk. So when you have to also make like a guideline. So when you've drawn the guideline, we're also gonna increase the text a little. And also, when you've drawn that, we're gonna double coat that collar piece. So now we can add a few lines. So now we can make a little more armor. Now we're making more armors and details. So when you've done with that, we're going to make that and double coat that line, and also we're also going to make another line coming from that, like a V-shaped object. He does have that on in his armor from Infinity War. So now we're making more armor plates, and when you've done with the armor plating, then you're going to draw the Infinity Glove. So you're going to add more details to the Infinity Glove. Now we're making the Infinity Glove fingers. So when you've done drawing the fingers, you're going to make the more details on its gauntlet. So you're also going to make the thumb, and also when you've drawn the thumb, then you're also going to double coat the thumb. So when you've double coated the thumb, you're going to add more details to the arm plate of the Infinity Gauntlet. So I'm just adding more details to the collector. So don't forget to like and subscribe.